Try this mixture on your skin for a soft, beautiful skin with no makeup. Go out there with no makeup and be glowing and glowing and glowing. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. Like the title says, this remedy will help you greatly to achieve that beautiful, glowing look. Even with no makeup, your skin will just look so beautiful. Like with little makeup, you are just ready to go. Without makeup, you are just ready to go. So with few ingredients you can find at home, kitchen ingredients, you can achieve a wonderful, beautiful skin. So you have to get your mixing bowl. The first ingredient you have to get is green tea. So this is green tea. Green tea is packed with powerful antioxidant that will protect your skin from free radical damage, preventing wrinkles, fine lines. If you have wrinkles already, it's going to help with consistent use to get rid of them, making sure your skin is looking youthful and beautiful. So this will also help to make you achieve a fresh, younger skin, like beautiful skin with no blemishes. It helps to unify your complexion and many more. So what you have to do is to add one of these. Just get your bowl, empty the contents, like one content of this. Please do not use water, okay? Just empty the powder into the bowl. Just open it and empty it into the bowl. So that is how to make use of this particular one. So the next one to add with the green tea is oat powder. Oat powder is another powerful ingredient found in the kitchen that will benefit your skin so well, helping to make sure your skin is healthy, not only to achieve that beautiful look, but organically it's going to help to build the skin elasticity, making sure your skin is smooth, supple, and younger. So oat powder will help to do all that, keeping your skin plump, not dried out. It helps so well to protect your skin from drying out by moisturizing, hydrating your skin very well. So this is very exfoliating as well. It helps to scrub out dead skin cells that makes your skin looking dull. The result will amaze you. Your skin will get clearer and more beautiful. So you have to add 1 tablespoon of oat powder into that green tea content. So when you have added your green tea and oat powder, the next one to add in here is orange, any citrus fruit actually. So this is lemon. Either you make use of lemon or you make use of orange juice. Just little goes a long way. So lemon or orange juice helps greatly to unify the complexion. If you have pigmentations, it's going to help greatly to balance your skin out, unify your complexion, and making sure your skin is even. It contains antioxidant vitamin C that protects your skin a lot from aging, making sure your skin is glowing beautifully, lightening a dark mark, fading away dark spots, dark marks, just helping to make sure your skin is looking uniform. So the result is just wonderful. Okay, just add 2 tablespoons of either orange juice or lemon juice. So any one of them is okay. Add it into the content of the green tea and oat powder, and you're all good. Mix together and mix thoroughly. So if the remedy is still very thick, all you have to do is to add rose water. Okay, rose water is not only to make it the way you want. No, it can actually benefit a lot from rose water. It can make your skin very smooth, glowing, and fresh. So rose water also helps to balance skin pH, like it helps to treat acne, pimples, skin disorders, balance a dull skin, making sure your skin is clearer and glowing beautifully. So add rose water little by little in this treatment. Be mixing it little by little until it forms a thick paste. I love rose water a lot because you can naturally make use of it as a facial toner. Early morning, use it to clean your face, like using with cotton wool. Dab the cotton wool, use it to clean your face, and it's going to help to revive your skin, awaken your skin, making sure your skin is looking so well nourished and beautiful. So this will also help to get rid of a tired skin. So just add it into this treatment and you benefit so much from this treatment. If you do not have rose water, you can naturally get ordinary water. Okay, but I prefer rose water because it's just amazing. Like it will make this treatment to work powerfully, making sure your skin is glowing and younger. So add little by little, remember. So after adding your rose water, if it's still very watery, add in your oat powder to thicken it just a little. So this is not supposed to be so watery, and it's not supposed to be very thick, so that you can be able to apply it without running down your skin and staining your clothes. So after mixing all these 4 ingredients, these powerful ingredients, just go ahead to wash off makeups anywhere you want to apply this treatment. Wash it off using a lukewarm water, okay? Then you have to apply this treatment all over your skin. If you want to treat only your face, make sure you apply both on your neck to make everywhere even and uniform. So you can actually apply all over your skin. After applying it, then you scrub, massage it everywhere. So after massaging it, leave it on for 20 minutes maximum. After 20 minutes, then you have to wash it off using a lukewarm water. So your skin is just going to look so beautiful and glowing instantly. With consistent use, you benefit from other ones, like getting rid of wrinkles. With consistency, it will remove wrinkles, okay? Going out without makeup is amazing. Like, you just, allow your skin to breathe. Without makeup, your skin will be glowing and glowing and glowing. So go ahead and apply this treatment. Use it every day or 3 times weekly. Very safe, but it's very important to make use of it only at night, and this is because of the citrus fruit we added, the vitamin C. It's not really good to apply during the day because of the sun. It may cause sunburn, so it's very important to apply it only at night. Applying it and wash it off. After washing it off, apply a light moisturizer like vitamin E oil, sunflower oil, and you're all good. So repeat this treatment as you like, and you see your skin looking so beautiful. You'll be addicted with this remedy because you'll be looking more beautiful and younger. People will be asking you what you are using. So it's very important to prepare your skin naturally before using all these inorganic creams like your usual creams, okay? And you using this, starting with this will help all those your lotions, your soap to work properly, because your skin is free from dead skin cells. It's going to be so wonderful. So use this treatment and you get perfect results. Store the remaining in the refrigerator to make use of it next time. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.